Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I upload new videos. So for today, I'm going to teach you how to make a hoop bouquet. If you're interested, keep on watching. For this project, I'm going to use a floral wire. You can also use a floral tape for this one. So I'm starting off with some leaves, cutting from the flowers and attaching it using the floral wire to a hoop, which I spray painted with a gold color. So it's really up to you what color you're going to use for this one. So I'm just adding some leaves on the other side and add some flowers on it. Choose a variety sizes of flowers. In my case, I'm using small, medium, and large flowers. Also the colors, I am using a blush pink and a gold one. So at first, I'm a bit hesitant for this one because I don't have a gold flowers. So what I did, as shown on the first clip, I was able to find a white flowers which I spray painted with gold so that I'll be able to acquire a gold flowers. So yeah, that's the trick that I was able to use on this project. So right now I'm adding another medium-sized flowers and also small sizes on the other side, doing the same procedure. So just follow the steps what I'm doing right here. Also arranging the flowers where it might look beautiful. So right now I'm adding the accent gold flower. So yeah, just attaching it with the floral wire for this. To show some love and support, please do click the like button on the left side of your screen for this video. Thank you so much for that. And also don't forget to subscribe on my channel. So finishing up this tutorial, I'm adding some little leaves on both sides. Also the large flower using a hot glue and a floral wire. So I wasn't able to show to you guys at the end of this video. I was actually adding some glue guns on the sharp edge of the floral wire so that it won't hurt anyone. So here I'm just trying to fix everything so that it will be in place. Yes, that's one. So here's our hoop bouquet. So I hope you like this one and see you on my next video. God bless everyone. Bye.